Most people think Suno gives you a random singing voice that you can't control. That's not true. You can actually guide the voice using simple prompts and tags. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to control the vocal style in Suno, the gender, the accent, the language, and even the personality of the singer. Let's get into it. Suno automatically assigns a voice for each song, but it makes that choice based on your style prompt and your lyrics. So your input really matters. If you write a clear, focused prompt, you can steer the singer's voice almost every time. The strongest way to guide the voice is with genre, because Suno has vocal types linked to different genres. For example, if you use a hip-hop style, Suno usually picks a male rap tone. If you say country, you'll often get a Western accent. Jazz tends to create a soulful female voice, and pop usually gives you a bright female tone. So always start your prompt with a clear genre direction. Here's an example. Let's type style as gritty hip-hop with urban male vocal, confident delivery, some simple lyrics here, and here we go.
I came from the cracks in the pavement, pressure made a statement.
That one would slap. It almost always gives you a male voice with confident rap delivery. If you want a Western accent, anchor it in country and describe a warm storytelling tone. Style, modern country ballad with warm Western male vocal, storytelling tone, some lyrics here.
Dust on the mailbox, sun on the barn. I'm driving back home by the glow of the farm.
That sounds natural, right? And like I've noticed, setting the pop genre usually results in a female vocal lead. So again, genre is your anchor. Now, quick update before moving on. Suno recently added a gender option under advanced settings where you can pick male, female, or none. That helps, but think of it as a nudge, not a guarantee. If you want a specific vibe, like a deep bass male, a soft female, a narrator, or a rapper, you still need to shape it in your prompts. Choosing the gender just helps Suno stay on track once you've set the direction. Next, language. Suno automatically detects the language of your lyrics. So, if you want Spanish vocals, write Spanish lyrics. If you want a bilingual track, just mix the languages. No special tag needed. Here's a clean bilingual example. Style, Latin pop with bright female vocal, modern production, and I'm gonna put lyrics and hit create.
Luces y sombras en calles que nunca dormían. I thought I heard you call my name in every edge or every flame. Ven conmigo, dance and I'll dance again.
Beautiful flow, right? Suno blends both languages seamlessly. No need to over-explain it. Now let's go deeper into vocal style. Beyond gender, you can completely change the delivery using singing style keywords like emotional, ethereal, narration, spoken word, or even Gregorian chant. These words control the behavior of the vocal performance. For example, if you want that deep cinematic chant sound, style, ambient cinematic with Gregorian chant male choir bit of lyrics. See, that's pure, chant-like energy, cinematic and powerful. Let's try a spoken word narration. Style, lo-fi hip-hop with spoken word female narrator, intimate lyrics.
The city keeps its secrets in coffee cups and train doors.
That's so clean. Perfect to drop in the middle of a song as a breakdown or intro. Here's something even more advanced. Switching voices within one song. You can do this by adding voice tags and brackets inside your lyrics. These are called meta tags, and they work amazingly well. Use tags like female narrator, rap verse, gospel choir, diva solo, or Primal Scream. Here's a great demo. Style: cinematic pop with female lead chorus, male rap verse, gospel choir finale.
The echoes found me where the night got thin.
I stepped out of the static, coated magic in my skin.
I'm burning through the clouds. Ooh, hallelujah for the roads we choose.
You can literally hear the sections change tone. Female lead, male rap, then a gospel lift. This gives your track real variation and life. Let's do another, a narrator to diva transition. Style: downtempo electronica with spoken word female narrator verses and diva solo bridge lyrics.
I fold the morning into careful quarters. I was never yours to keep, but you kept every key.
And a restrained rock version with a primal scream for tension. Style: alternative rock with male lead and occasional primal scream ad-libs lyrics.
Static in my bones.
That scream adds grit and energy, super useful for emotional climaxes. Now let's talk about limitations. You can't pick specific named voices, that part is random. Child voices are hard to generate. Some languages have better accent support than others. Regional accents only show up when the genre suggests it, like reggae or country. Still, with focused prompting, you can control tone and delivery remarkably well. So, that's everything you need to control voices in Suno. Use genre as your base. Add gender and tone for clarity. Use language for flavor. Use style words to control performance. And use meta tags to control voices per section. If this helps you, stick around for more AI music tutorials like this on Suno AI and other AI music tools. Subscribe to AI Tunecraft if you haven't. See you in the next one.